Setting custom app limits for different days on Mac is actually quite simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing I'd like you to do is go onto the Mac, and we're going to navigate to the Apple logo at the top left. We're going to go to System Settings. On the System Settings, in the search bar, we're going to type Screen Type. Now on the screen time, we're going to click on App Limits. On the app limits, it says set daily time limits for app categories you want to manage on your Mac, then add the app limit. So let's say we want to limit our usage of FaceTime. We're going to click on FaceTime. If you want to click on multiple apps, you can find them in their categories and then click on them. Now once you click on the application that you want to set the limit for, you're going to go to the bottom of the dialog box. You see where it says everyday and custom. Because we want to have a custom time limit for different days, we're going to click on custom. But if you want to do for a particular day, like if you want the time limit to set for the same for every day, you're going to click on every day. But let's click on custom. Let's click on edit. Now you're going to see the days of the week. You can give different time limits to the days as you want. As you can see here, I have 6 hours, 8 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, and I'm going to click on done. Now once you click on done, and you can see FaceTime actually comes with a different days time limits. And to add another time limit, you can click here and then choose for a different app. Now that's how to set custom app limits for different days on Mac. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I will see you in the next one.